Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Are you all excited, kids? Yes or no? Tell me. First, tell me excited for what? Which upcoming festival is coming? Which festival is coming? Tell me. Navratri, Dussehra is coming. Okay? So, Dussehra is coming. Dussehra festival is coming. Students, can you all tell me why we celebrate Dussehra festival? हम Dussehra festival क्यों मनाते हैं? Can anyone tell me? कोई बता सकता है? So today I will going to explain you why we celebrate Dussehra. So kids, we are going to speak 10 lines about Dussehra. You can learn 5 line also, 8 line also and 10 lines also. It is up to you. Okay. So first I am going to read the lines. Okay. You have to read it, learn it and then I am going to show you one activity video. So you have to prepare the activity. You have to hold that activity and you have to speak lines about it. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to send me one video of this speaking activity. Okay, what you can do, you can make the puppet also, which I am going to show you, and you can dress up also like that. Okay, you can dress up like Sri Ram or Lakshman ji, or if you are a girl you can dress up like Sita ji. Okay, so it is up to you all. You can dress up like them and you can portray like them also. Okay students, so now I am going to speak these lines and what you have to do, you have to send me the video also and you have to note it down all these lines in your English notebook. Okay kids? Now students, what we are going to do, first I am going to read this and along with it I will explain you these sentences and then you can write it down also. Okay? So first we are going to read this. You have to read along with me. Dussehra. Dussehra is a famous festival of Hindus. So Hindus का ये बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध famous festival है. Which festival? Dussehra. It is celebrated on the 10th day in the Shukla Paksh of Ashwin month according to Hindu calendar. ओके, हिंदू कैलेंडर के अकॉर्डिंग, जैसे इंग्लिश कैलेंडर जो हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं 1 2 3 4 डेट्स के अकॉर्डिंग, जनवरी फरवरी के अकॉर्डिंग, वैसे ही हिंदू कैलेंडर होता है और उसमें कार्तिक का महीना, शुक्ल पक्ष का महीना. ओके, सो ये अलग अलग नाम के मंथ्स होते हैं. ओके, अश्विन मंथ. So it is celebrated on the 10th day in the Shukla Paksh of Ashwin month. जो अश्विन मंथ होता है हिंदू कैलेंडर के अकॉर्डिंग, उसके शुक्ल पक्ष उसके 10th डे में दशहरा आता है. ओके, it is also known as विजयादशमी. It is also known as विजयादशमी. दशहरा को विजयादशमी भी बुलाते हैं. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana and goddess Durga killed Mahishasur. So, इस दिन क्या हुआ था? Lord Rama, राम जी ने क्या किया था? रावण को मारा था. ओके, इस दिन बुराई की हार हुई थी और सच्चाई की जीत हुई थी. ओके, ट्रुथ विन्स. एंड गॉडेस दुर्गा, जो गॉडेस दुर्गा है, उनने किसको मारा था? महिषासुर को. ओके, तो इससे क्या हुआ था? बुराई का नाश हुआ था. इविल, जो इविल थिंग्स करते थे जैसे रावणा, महिषासुर, इनका क्या हुआ था? इनका नाश हुआ था. इनका इस दिन अंत हुआ था और सच्चाई की जीत हुई थी. ट्रुथ विन्स ऑन दिस डे. रामलीला ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ऑन दिस डे. ओके, सो बहुत सारी प्लेसेस में रामलीला ऑर्गेनाइज्ड होती है ये टाइम्स में. ओके, जो नवरात्रि के जो डे स्टार्ट होते हैं, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, जब उसका 10th डे आता है तब दशहरा आता है, जब रावण को हम जलाते हैं. तो जो 9 डेज होते हैं, इस डेज के अकॉर्डिंग रामलीला हर जगह पे दिखाई जाती है. अ टॉल effigy of Ravana burnt on this day. इस दिन क्या होता है? रावण का एक स्टैचू बनाया जाता है, एक पुतला बनाया जाता है काफ़ी सारी जगहों में, इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस, और उसको जलाया जाता है. वाई? बिकॉज इससे हम बच्चों को सिखाना चाहते हैं कि बुराई का हमेशा अंत होता है. ओके. In various parts of India, Durga Puja is also celebrated. So, India के various parts में दुर्गा पूजा भी सेलिब्रेट की जाती है. जो ये 9 days होते हैं वो दुर्गा पूजा के होते हैं. ओके. गॉडेस दुर्गा की हम पूजा करते हैं, और जो 10th डे होता है उस दिन हम दशहरा मनाते हैं. ओके. People starts new work on this day. बहुत सारे लोग इस दिन पे नया काम शुरू करते हैं. ओके. This day is a holiday in schools and government offices. इस दिन क्या होता है? हमको हॉलीडेज मिलती है. We all know this. And गवर्नमेंट के जो ऑफिस होते हैं उधर भी हॉलीडे होती है. The festival of Dussehra teaches us that good qualities always win. दशहरा फेस्टिवल हमको क्या बताता है? कि हमेशा जो गुड क्वालिटीज़ होती हैं, जैसे ट्रुथ है, सच्चाई है, ये हमेशा जीतती है. गुड क्वालिटीज़ हमेशा जीतती है, भले उसका रास्ता डिफ़िकल्ट हो. द पाथ ऑफ इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट, बट ट्रुथ ऑलवेज विन्स. ओके. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इट डाउन इन द नोटबुक. Now students, for making the video, what you have to do? You have to speak this. First, you have to introduce yourself, your class, the name of your school. Okay, then you have to speak 5 or 10 lines. How many lines which you can learn, and you can change the lines according to you also, but don't change the meaning of it. Okay, so for now we are going to read it. Dussehra. Dussehra is a famous festival of Hindus. It is celebrated on the 10th day in the Shukla Paksh of Ashwin month according to Hindu calendar. It is also known as Vijayadashmi. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana and Goddess Durga killed Mahishasur. Ramlila organized on this day. A tall effigy of Ravana burnt on this day. In various parts of India, Durga Puja is also celebrated. People start new work on this day. This day is a holiday in schools and government offices. The festival of Dussehra teaches us that good qualities always win. Thank you. Now students, I am going to show you the activity also. Okay, so students, in this activity what we need Fevicol or glue gun, thermocol, glasses, use and throw glasses, scissor, painting brush, colors. I hope all these things are available at your home. Okay, so use the props which are available at your home. Okay kids, now I am going to start this activity. For this you need glasses of same size, 2 glasses of same size. Now first I am going to give the basic shape. So हम इस shape को देने के लिए हम we will cut this. हम उसको काटेंगे, बीच का सर्कल वाला पार्ट भी से only 1 glass. ओके, और उसको अब साइड से सिजर से भी काटेंगे. ओके, like this. Do a rough cutting of it, and you can take the help of your brother, sister or mother. You can take help of anyone. Okay, so I am going to cut this. Now what I am going to do, I am going to join these. Okay, जो हमने cuts को काटे थे, ये सारे cuts को अब हम join करके और उसको stick कर देंगे. Okay, हम इन सबको स्टिक कर देंगे तो ये एक बेसिक कप का शेप आ जाएगा जो उसका लिड कवर रहता है. ओके, सो ग्लू गन से, ग्लू गन मैं इसलिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज ग्लू गन से बहुत जल्दी से स्टिक हो जाता है. ओके, सो जो एक लिड होती है, कप की लिड होती है, उसकी तरह हमने इसको बनाया है और उसको हमने स्टिक कर दिया. ओके, नाउ अब फेविकॉल को उसके ऊपर हम ब्रश की हेल्प से, इफ़ यू डू विद द ब्रश, तो ये आपके हाथ में कभी भी नहीं लगेगा और आपके हैंड्स डर्टी नहीं होंगे. ओके, तो हमको फेविकॉल लगाते जाना है और पेजेस को उसके ऊपर स्टिक करते जाना है. ओके, ये पेजेस को हमको उसके ऊपर स्टिक करते जाना है. हम एक दो पेजेस को स्टिक करेंगे, फिर फेविकॉल लगाएंगे और फिर स्टिक करेंगे. तो ये पेजेस आप कोई भी नोटबुक के, जो रफ नोटबुक है उसके भी आप ले सकते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर के भी ले सकते हैं और इसको स्टिक कर सकते हैं. ओके किड्स, तो आप इसको स्क्वायर शेप में कट करिए, छोटे छोटे स्क्वायर शेप में. ओके, यू कैन कट द शेप्स of square shape. Now put the Fevicol all around it, stick the pieces of it, stick 2-3 pieces, then again put a Fevicol, then again stick the pieces. Now I am going to spread this in all over the lid. Okay, now again I am going to stick this. So what we are making? We are making the upper part of Ravana. Okay, हम उसका ऊपर वाला हिस्सा बना रहे हैं, the chest and the stomach. Okay, now what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut the stripes with the help of scissor. With these stripes I'm going to make the hands. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut the equal pieces of it. Now with the help of these pieces I am going to make the hands of Ravan. Okay, so you can use drawing sheet also. If you are not having glass with you, drawing sheet is also hard, so you can use that also. Now I am sticking it with the tape. If you are not having tape, you can stick this with the help of Fevicol also. Okay, so like this I am going to stick it. Like this, stick it. First I am going to take the 2 pieces of it. Okay, these are 4s. Now I am going to 2 pieces. Now with this 2 pieces I am going to cut it like this, and I am going to make the hands of it, of Ravana. Okay, so with the help of glue gun I am going to stick this like this. Okay, so with the help of glue gun I am going to stick this and make the hands of Ravana. Okay, so the upper part of Ravana we had already made it. Now I am going to stick this, leave it for 5 minutes, and then I am going to stick this in the upper body part. Okay, like this. So do this thing with the glue gun, so it will be easier for you. Like this I am going to stick this, and on the other side also. This is the lower part of the body. Now I am going to stick legs on it like this. In the glass, take big glass and stick the legs like this. Okay, so it is very simple to stick the legs. So now we are going to join this. We had made a structure of Ravana. So do this. For this we need glue gun also and Fevicol also. Glue gun is very helpful. So now I am going to stick this, the upper part and the lower part. Now face is left. Okay, so leave it for 5 minutes. Now you all love to eat Kinder Joy, so I had used the Kinder Joy box over here. Now what I am going to do, I am going to cut this. Okay, from the middle of it I am going to cut this. Now with the help of these 2 cups, now what I am going to do, I am going to join this, paint this, and I am going to stick this. Now I'm using here black color. You can use any other color also, like blue color, pink color, or any contrast color. In the lower part blue and in the upper part pink. So you can use the color according to your choice, okay. So in the face I had used orange color. It is must use orange color for the face or skin color, okay. Now again with this cup, help of this cup, I am going to make the crown of Ravana, okay, crown of Ravana. So you can use the cover of that book also, any rough book also, the cover of it, or any drawing sheet. It should be thicker, okay. So I am using your cup to make the crown. You can make simple crown also of V shape, of simple V shape, cut simple V shape and stripe of it. So now we can color this and decorate this with pearls. Use it, or if it is having at your home in spare things, so you can use that also, or if you're having any dupatta, any old dupatta, you can use that also and you can decorate with that also. Now you all are having CD, so you can use the CD. Now I am going to stick the page in this CD color page, green color page. You can use any other color also, okay. Now I am going to cut this. Now I am going to stick the statue of it with the glue gun. So why I am sticking this? To give the base, okay. If you are not having CD, you can use the cardboard also. Now at the last I am going to stick this face also. First I am having the glue glitter. Now I am going to stick the eyes. It was there in the art and craft book. If you are having any art and craft book of last year also, so it must be there also. You can use that eyes also, or you can use the black sheet also. Now you can make teeth like this and stick it over here, and the mustache, this is very compulsory to stick the mustache. So cut the shape and stick it over here like this. Now with the help of glue gun, I am going to stick the pearls for the earring. You can use any old earring of your mother also, which she is not wearing, that one. Now we are going to stick this. Now with the silver color yellow tape, I am going to decorate the dress, okay. So in the middle part, in the tummy side, I am going to stick the silver color tape to give the partition in the skirt and top, okay. Now in the bottom also I am going to stick this. Now I am going to stick the face with the help of glue gun. So I had made the face with the help of Kinder Joy cup. You can use any thermocol ball also, big ball, or you can use the newspaper, crush the newspaper and stick it with Fevicol. With the help of Fevicol, you can use the white page and make the face. Now on the hands, I am going to stick the circle shape. Now this is complete. Now I am going to, at the last, I am going to stick the crown over here. So now it is ready, students, okay. So I hope you all love this activity. You can make this thing, okay, and you can change the colors according to your choice, and you can change the material also according to your choice. So do make it and use this prop in the video also. When you will send me the video of speaking activity, you can use this prop, you can hold this prop, okay kids. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Goodbye students, take care.